Welcome to RDO. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss class 10th maths trigonometry. See here, exercise 11.4, question number 2. Show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. First of all, I am taking here LHS. Left hand side of the equation is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. You know that cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta or not? Yes. 1 by sin theta here minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. You can write here whole square. See here both are having LCM as sin theta only. That means both are like fractions. You can do direct subtraction here. 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. See here, that means you know that a by b whole square means a square by b square or not? Yes, you can write here 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Sin theta whole square means sin square theta only. See here 1 minus cos square theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta whole square can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Yes or no? See here, a square means a into a or not? Yes. By sin square theta can be written as, you know that, what is the identity? See here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that sin square theta can be written as, you can transpose cos square theta to RHS. You will get 1 minus cos square theta. See here in the next step, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by, see here 1 can be written as 1 square. Yes or no? 1 square minus cos theta. Cos square theta can be written as cos theta whole square. Yes or no? See here 1 square is 1 only. Cos theta whole square is cos square theta. See in the next step, you can write here 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by, see here once you can observe here a square minus b square. That means here a is equal to 1, b is equal to cos theta. Once you can observe here a square minus b square means, you know that what is the basic formula? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Yes or no? Yes. Using this identity, can I write here 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta? 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Once you can observe here, is there any possibility you can simplify here? 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, both should be cancelled. That means you are getting is how much? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Once you can observe here in that question what they are asking, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, each is equal to RHS or not? RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. This is your solution. See here question number 4. Show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. Once you can observe here clearly, tan and cot are reciprocal to each other or not? Yes, tan and cot are reciprocal to each other. So that try to convert cot ratio to tan ratio. See 1 minus tan square A, I am writing numerator as same. 1 minus tan square A by, see cot square A means, you know that reciprocal of tan or not? Yes. So that can I write here 1 by tan square A? Yes or no? Minus 1. instead of cot square a, I written 1 by tan square a. Why? Because you know that tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Yes or no? Tan theta is equal 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equal 1 by tan theta. You can write anyway. See, here 1 means, can I write here 1 by 1 or not? Yes, 1 by 1. See, what is the LCM of 1 and tan square a? Tan square a only. That means you can write in next step 1 minus tan square a by here tan square a and 1 LCM is tan square a only. Tan square a, see, 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 into tan square a, tan square a only. Yes or no? Yes. See here, to remove this division, you know that in the previous classes we can replace the division with multiplication. See, I am writing, see, 1 minus tan square a into 1 minus tan square a into, see here, what is the reciprocal of 1 minus tan square a by tan square a? Reciprocal, that means you can write here tan square a by 1 minus tan square a. Yes or no? See here, reciprocal. In the previous classes, 7th, 8th classes, you know that studied multiplication with reciprocal of a fraction. See here, 1 minus tan square a, here also 1 minus tan square a. Both should be cancelled. That means you will get here how much? 1 into tan square a. Tan square a is your solution. Which is equal to RHS or not? Yes. In that question they are asking, just show the tan square a. That means hence proved. You can write here hence proved. See here, this is the direct method. See, if you want, even though you can do this problem with another method also. See, for example, you can substitute here tan a plus sin a by cos a. That means here sin square by cos square a. Here you can write here instead of cot plus cos square a by sin square a. Even though you are doing, you will get same answer. On the right hand side, tan square a only. You can do this trigonometric problems in different methods, but you will get same answer. You can follow which is convenient to you. See here, this is your solution. See here, question number 5. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. See here, I am taking here LHS is equal to 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal, see here, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Cos theta can be written as cos theta by 1 or not? Yes. See here, what is the LCM of cos theta and 1? Cos theta only. Yes or no? See here, cos theta. Otherwise, you can do cross multiplication for easy purpose. Here, 1 into 1 is how much? 1 only. Minus cos theta into cos theta is how much? Cos square theta. Yes or no? 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. See here, 1 minus cos square theta means already you know that trigonometric identities here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 means, see here, if I am transposing cos square theta to RHS, see, you will get minus 1 minus cos square theta. That means 1 minus cos square theta means you will get sin square theta. So that can I write here sin square theta by cos theta. Yes or no? See here, sin square theta by cos theta. See, sin square theta can be written as sin theta into sin theta or not? Yes. So that you can write here sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. You can write here. Already denominator you have cos theta or not? Yes. Once you can observe here sin theta by cos theta, can I write here tan theta? Yes, you can write here tan theta into sin theta, which is equal to RHS or not? Yes. You can see here it is equal to RHS. They are asking in the question, they just show the tan theta into sin theta here. Tan theta into sin theta. We have proved or not? Yes, you can write here. Hence proved. Which are very easiest problems. Trigonometric problems are very easiest problems. You can try it. See here, question number 6. Simplify sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a. See here, I am writing the given information. See here, sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a is equal. See here, you know the distribution property in the previous classes we have learned. A into B minus C means AB minus AC or not? Yes, so that can you multiply sec A into 1 sec A only? Yes or no? See, sec A minus sec A into sin A, you will get sec A into sin A only into, you can write the remaining same, sec A plus tan A. See here, clearly you can observe here sec A minus sec A means, you know that reciprocal of cos A or not? Sec A is the reciprocal of cos A. So that can I write here 1 by cos A? Yes or no? See here 1 by cos A into sin A. I written the remaining same here. Sec A here sec A, sin A here sin A. But instead of sec A, I written here 1 by cos A. Why? Because once you can observe here on the other form sec A plus tan A. But while you can remember here, you know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal 1 or not? You know that identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal 1. That means you can try to obtain here tan theta. How can you obtain? See, if you are writing instead of sec A, you will get here 1 by cos A. So that you can simplify here sec A plus tan A. See here, sec A minus, see here 1 into sin A, sin A. Sin A by cos A means, you can write here sin A by cos A into sec A plus tan A. You know that sin by cos means it is tan or not? Yes. You can write here clearly sec A minus tan A into sec A plus tan A. Sec A minus tan A into sec A plus tan A means this is the basic identity. Sec square A minus tan square A. Yes or no? Just you can see here A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B means A square minus B square. Yes or no? That means sec square A minus tan square A. But you know that identity. What is the identity here? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Yes or no? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 means sec square A minus tan square A is equal to also 1 only. This is your solution. See here, question number 7. Prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. See here, first of all I am writing here LHS. Here LHS value is how much here? LHS is equal to sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. See here, once you can observe here, which is in the form of A plus B whole square or not? Yes. See here, what is the basic formula identity? A plus B whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab or not? Yes. So that can I write here? See, expand it. Sin a plus cosec a whole square means sin square a. You can write here sin square a plus cosec square a plus cosec square a plus 2ab means 2 into sin a cosec a. 2 into sin a into cosec a plus, you can see here next one, cos a whole square. That means you can write here cos square a plus sec square a. You can write here sec square a plus 2ab means 2 into cos a sec a. 2 into cos a into sec a. But once you can observe here, see here sin square a, here cos square a. Can I write together? See, sin square a plus cos square a plus you can write here cosec square a plus here sec square a. Sec square a plus see once here sin a and cosec a both are reciprocal to each other or not? Yes or no? See, you know that cosec a means 1 by sin a. That means sin a into cosec a means will you get 1 or not? Yes. So that you can write here 2 into 1. You can write here 2 into 1 only. Here see 2 into cos a into sec a. You know that these are also reciprocal to each other. Sec a means 1 by cos a. That means cos a into sec a means you will get 1 or not? Yes. Here also you can write here 2 into 1 only. Why? Because cos a and sec a are reciprocal to each other. But once you can observe here sin square a plus cos square a, this is also a trigonometric identity. You will get here how much? 1 only. 1 plus, see here cosec square a. Here cosec square a, here sec square a plus 2 into 1 how much? 2 only. Here 2 into 1 how much? 2 only. The next step you can see here 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. 5 plus here cosec square a can be written as, you know that identity, see, cosec square theta minus tan square theta or cot square theta. Cot square theta only. For cosec you will get cot. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Yes or no? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. That means if you want cosec square theta value, you can transpose cot square theta to RHS. That means will you get 1 plus cot square theta or not? Yes or no? See, in the similar way you can write here 1 plus cot square a. See, if you want you can write here cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. In the similar way, sec square a, that means what is the another trigonometric identity here? Sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Yes or no? Sec square a or minus tan square a is equal to 1 means you can write here sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Yes or no? 1 plus tan square a. That means you can write here 1 plus tan square a. These are since which you know these identities. Then you can do the problem very easily. Yes or no? See here. Instead of here sec square theta, you can write also no problem. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. You can write anyway, but you can see here. Remember the ratios which are very important. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Using this identity, see here I written 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 here how much 7. You can write here 7 plus cot square a. 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a. That means first of all I am writing see tan square a only 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, which is our required solution. Once you can see here it is the RHS. That means therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. Which is very easiest problems. Once you can see here, first you can square it. After that, see here sin square a plus cos square a, you will get 1. The remaining two terms cosec square a and sec square a, utilize the trigonometric identities and you can use it and you can simplify it. You will get answer. This is your solution. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 10th maths playlist videos.